The following is a community announcement requested by EAS and EAS 64 of their July the 4th announcement. This alert is being sent on YouTube for everyone, in regards of this announcement to the 4th of July, which is Independence Day. This public announcement gives out information about the EAS scenarios, time when the scenario is coming out, problems that we have, and changes. What we have as our guests is EAS and EAS 64. EAS would like to speak with us.
Hello, EAS here. This public announcement on July 4th will give out information. I don't have any new scenario ideas, but I have some words to share out. Vancouver attacks, my first EAS scenario that my friend, EAS 64 is working on. There is changes on the scenario, which is the news part and tones. I can't get all of the changes out because spoilers. Next, problems. The problems me and EAS 64 is exporting. Exporting is the main problem that we have since we started working on it. This may be tricky, but we hope we can get it done. Anyways, that's all I have to say. EAS 64 told me he'll like to speak to you. EAS, out.
Poopy fart muffins.
Thank you for being here, that meant a lot. Anyways, here is sneak peeks, but before it, I would like to say a couple of things. 1. This is being uploaded on EAS and EAS 64's channel. And 2. Do not use this for pranks, because it will not make sense and that could get you to jail or pay a $100,000 fine. Anyways, here are the sneak peeks.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the White House. This is an emergency action notification transmitting and airing this message. A nuclear warhead is inbounding onto the USA, including Alaska and Hawaii. Several nuclear bombs were launched from an unknown location. It is likely that these bombs were launched from the riots. These are the locations where the bombs are dropping on: Nashville, Tennessee; Los Angeles, California; Albany, New York; Washington, D.C., Austin, Texas; Phoenix, Arizona; and Denver, Colorado. If you're in these areas in a 250-foot radius, seek fallout shelter as these bombs are dropping in 1 hour. Grab necessary supplies as food, water, first aid kit and medical supplies, clothing, and a NOAA weather radio, all hazardous, with some
extra batteries. Grab enough of these supplies to last for 14 days. If someone you know has died during this explosion, dispose the body on the other side of the fallout shelter. Once it is declared safe to go outside, you can fully dispose the body. And if you can't locate a fallout shelter, quickly build a fallout room or find a room that has no windows and can stand fallout. The water will not be usable because it can be contaminated by fallout. This message will now repeat. The following message is transmitted by the request of the White House. This is an emergency action notification transmitting and airing this message. A nuclear warhead is inbounding onto the USA, including Alaska and Hawaii. Seek fallout shelter now.
Essa é uma mensagem do que sobrou do governo brasileiro. Os distúrbios de Vancouver, Canadá, trouxeram este país à fatalidade da queda. Desde que alguém postou notícias falsas, rebeliões atacaram e mataram forças militares. O presidente caiu. As forças militares estão gravemente danificadas e não podem obter qualquer apoio. Sem proteção, sem suprimentos. Os distúrbios atacaram e mataram 100.000 pessoas. Vá viajar para a floresta amazônica, tem grupos lá e você pode fazer um assentamento lá. As forças militares se foram. O Brasil não existe mais. Boa sorte a todos e adeus.